You have the ability to segment your uploaded audio or video files into individual chapters and key concepts. To add metadata, click the Edit button. Select Segments from the metadata options. Begin by creating chapter segments, which can be further segmented into key concepts. To create a segment, play the video and use the start point and end point boxes to define your segment. Once your segment has been defined, preview your segment and make any adjustments as needed. You cannot edit the start and end points once your segment is saved, so it's important to preview each segment. Set the thumbnail image for the segment by scrubbing to a specific frame from the segment in the player. Then click Create Thumbnail. Add a brief description of the segment and click Save. After you save the segment, it will be shown below the tools. From here, you can edit the description or thumbnail. Once you have created chapters, you can further segment your content into key concepts within those chapters. The segments you create will appear on your Resources title page, just as they do for any other media on the Safari Montage system.